It was awesome. I was down 0-2 in the count, so I was a little nervous, but then she threw one right down the pipe, and I roped it, and it was awesome. It's my home run ball. I hit to the parking lot, and it's missing a chunk. It's awesome. Hey! She caught it. I was just seeing the ball really well, and especially in the second game, our team was hitting really well, and hitting's just such a contagious thing. So I mean, we went through 3 pitchers through their roster, so I think we were all seeing the ball really well today.
Awesome. I think that it's a blessing for me to be able to have the opportunity that I had to help my team, and if that means that I get to be in the lineup and hit home runs, then that's what it means, so it's awesome.
Big. You know, Kent State's a very competitive team with a good pitching staff and a good defense, and yeah, the first game was just a dogfight, pitcher's duel, and some things just didn't go our way in the first game, but it wasn't a bad game whatsoever. The second game, that's the team that we are. Well, Lauren McClary has been wanting to carry this team on her back the last couple of weeks. You can just tell on and off the field. She's been just doing an awesome job in her workouts and such. And she did everything that she needed to do. A couple of things that got away from us a little bit in the 6th inning, but I thought stayed in it, kept with our mentality of it. I thought she threw a great game. Savvy definitely held him off the mark all day long, and I thought she did a great job of getting us out of some innings, and I was just really proud of our defense all doubleheader, because I felt our defense took the pressure off the pitching staff as well. As soon as that ball went off her bat, I was just like, it was just an enjoyable moment, because there's nothing you want better for that kid. I mean, she works extremely hard at her offensive game, and for her to be able to come through with runners on in a pinch hit situation, I mean, it's exactly what we utilize her for, and I'm so proud of her.